man, he showed up. After flaking for 4 days. Okay, so we just got back from this run, so now I'm gonna go eat with Jordan Welch. I'm sure you guys know him if you're watching this because we have like similar audience. But we're gonna go do that, have some great vegan breakfast. And then from there, we have a few things that I have to get done with Piero today. So I'll keep you guys, we're about to record a whole day in the life at this point. I wasn't planning on, but the moment that Manny actually showed up this morning to run, it just set the vibe for the rest of the day. So let's get this. So here are the living room vibes we got going on right now. My computer, candle, this amazing couch, and then real brickle. Okay, so I actually changed of plans. I thought we'd go as soon as I finished my run because I thought his workout ended around the same time. But he said around 10 and it's 9:15 right now, so I'm gonna take a shower, get the day started, and then we'll go meet him.
Going through all kinds of things, looking up kinds of ways, talking all kinds of things.
Alright, so we showered, so now I'm gonna go drink some water, and then I'm gonna head out to the restaurant where I'm gonna meet Welch. Alright, so Welch is actually picked me up. So I'm gonna meet him in the lobby right there. He's already there. We're gonna go grab the breakfast. That place is amazing. I'm super excited. It's vegan. And the food is like so flavorful. So we're gonna eat there, and I'm gonna come back. I don't know if I'm gonna hit the gym. I usually hit it like first thing when I wake up. But since I did go running today, I might hit it tonight. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling when I get back. That's definition of day in the life.
Yeah, what's up, guys? The warehouses that people ship. I met him through the van, actually. We met at always be testing.
Yeah.
Now they got my Facebook come back.
Hello, have you? Alright guys, so got the meals here.
Yes sir, the Good Love Life Cafe.
Yes, sir.
Here in Miami, come check this spot out. Craziest food.
Not sponsored, but
Please sponsor.
Welch has put every single place that he's put me onto has been a place I end up going back to a lot.
Yeah.
Never missed. So
Never.
Let's see.
Undefeated.
Alright, so we just had that crazy meal.
Slap.
Shout out Jordan for never missing with the meals.
100%.
Now we're gonna go back to the crib. He's gonna go back to his.
Lock in. Let's go. We about to crash this week. Hopefully you guys doing the same thing. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so we just had that great food, great meal with Welch. It's always a good time because we always talk about some super interesting stuff. So now I'm gonna see if Pierre's awake. I don't even know what time it is, but we have a lot of stuff to do today. We have some studio work to do. We have some client work to do, some branding. We also have this TikTok brand that we're running. It has been kind of going crazy lately. So we kind of got to figure out that whole thing to automate and to like continuously post that content. So here we got the boy. What you want to say to the camera?
I'm down by the Merc the gym and have a productive ass day.
Gym time right now?
Yeah, I know.
So does that mean that I have to like keep going right now? It's gonna seem like I have the craziest morning routine from this video that you guys are watching, but it's really not the case. Like, I just wake up and I hit the gym, and then I'll come back, have a smoothie, protein, and then get to work.
You know. Sorry? Yeah, that's stupid. It's Thursday without the U. Yeah, but the Instagram came in with all this information, so we can definitely collaborate on that. Use Thursday to make all the content for those two as well. Like the 5th time, but still like the pilot did some crazy shit that the helicopter was like almost.
Alright guys, so Pierre just wrapped up a call. That would be a crazy good client. They're sending out product to us, and then they want a couple sample pictures, and then once we get that, if they do close, it would be probably the biggest client we've gotten to date. So yeah, pretty cool. Now we're just gonna do some work. We have to fulfill some client work, and on my end I have to do some work too with one of our designers in our team. So I have to pretty much help him with a project that we're working on. And then besides that, we have a store right now that's doing decent with TikTok. So we gotta get everything figured out for that to keep scaling. I'll show you guys the numbers either later on the video or in the next one, like a full detailed video on how we're doing this. All right, so I'm about to eat lunch. Shout out to 365 Meals. They've been hooking it up. They literally make every meal in the morning and deliver it fresh to you. They leave it right outside of your door, which is pretty crazy. And they actually taste like restaurant quality meals. Like, it's pretty insane, guys. Also, a huge shout out to Liquid IV. They came through with a care package for the boy. They sent us a bunch of different things to try. So I had tried them out one time in LA, but they just, they sent me an email, and honestly, I've heard nothing but great things about them. So I'm gonna drink right now is this one. You just pour it in there. Passion fruit, tastes super good. And all right, here's the car. Gotta go to the bank really quick. Alright, so now I have to go to the bank because I have to get some checks. I hate checks and I rarely use them, but whenever I need them I have to go get them because I don't really keep any on me. So we're gonna go get that. Then I'm gonna stop by my house in Kendall where my family lives. I'm gonna say hi to them since obviously I've been out here for like a month, about to be a month tomorrow. I still go by a couple times a week to say hi and everything, and then we're gonna come back. And yeah, I think I'm just waiting on our designer to do some work that I have to look over, and after that I'm gonna play some tennis with Fez, Peter, in his apartment. So pretty exciting.
Yeah, swell feeling like my greatest ever. Niggas like a trooper.
Guys, check out my dog, the young legend. So I had to make a quick stop here at the crib. Had a couple of things that I had to pick up, and also came by to say to my family. And now I'm looking for snacks. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading back soon so I don't catch traffic, so I can make it in time to play tennis with the boys.
Strip club with sun and rain, the way we change the weather.
And we go back out to the streets where I belong.
For them bitches, they ain't gotta run no numbers. My niggas so up in digits, we the.
Oh, it's Sebas! No way. What's good? How'd you get up?
They already know me.
No.
What picture? Yeah, guys, look at these vibes.
George is here.
George, no way. George who?
No.
Who is this guy?
2900. My guy. What you doing?
This guy over
Good.
here.
Gang, gang, gang.
Hey.
Welcome to my crib. Action room, bro. This is where no action happens. Because I'm halal. I'm halal. Yo, is this surround sound? No. Guess where the speaker is? Under the bed? Under the bed. Wow, that wasn't hard to guess.
We all became tennis players out of nowhere. You guys know the vibes.
Never check the.
We had
Never check the DMs on TikTok.
We had to become tennis players.
TikTok? I never. No. Sebas said he was sending me some stuff.
The legend George pulled up. Shout out Blue.
We got the Sony S.
Giving you guys a sneak peek since Fez wants to be real quiet about his crib.
Stop! You literally copied my entire interior design. I did.
Thanks, Mr. Fez. This is a founder of Sweet Dreams, guys. We only chill with important people over here. About to run this tennis game. We're doing twos, we're doing doubles. So it's gonna be real interesting. We're gonna be sweating way too much at the end, but I'm excited for real. This guy plays like a professional. I don't know what he's doing playing with us when he knows how to play.
These services are services that professional athletes use, like
No, for
actresses.
sure.
Those are the kinds of people that I work with. So for you guys to be doing this is fuck. Oh hell yeah!
You feel me? Like I think it's gonna
Yeah.
do well. People like seeing that progress and stuff like that. So
Now you can go ahead and step on.
cool.
You're gonna do the same thing that Piero did. T-shape with your body. Get ready, boys. But it's gonna require commitment on your end as well. So you guys are gonna have to go grocery shopping, dude.
Yeah.
You've got the body of a soccer player. I'm not gonna lie. Like you're fucking your lean body mass is in the optimal range. Of course, we're gonna continue to get that up. You have absolutely no body fat mass in your body. You have like 20.5 pounds of actual body fat mass in your body, which is fucking fantastic. Your total body water is on point as well. And then in terms of your body fat percentage, you're at 15.3%.
Alright guys, so we're shooting here for Marlon. He has a brand. He got us to pretty much shoot some content for his brand and to do some other work for an upcoming brand that he has. So we're here in his apartment, as you guys can see. This view is incredible. This is one of the best views I've seen. So we've been here for a couple hours shooting a bunch of models and everything. We're very excited as to how this is gonna look. Yeah, we'll show you guys the outcome.
And then, like, rotate like this. So yeah, so the light's hitting you. That thing's really moving.